Alright, so for today's video, we're going to be getting this thing running again. Some of you might remember it from videos in the past. I've actually already tuned this thing up a while ago, but it does need to be tuned up again. It doesn't get used all that much by the person that I essentially gave it to. So we're just going to take it apart. It's probably just a dirty carburetor. I've already shot some carb spray into it, and it seems to kick over just fine, so I don't think there's anything inherently wrong here. But in order to remove this, on these models, you can take the tank off fairly easily. And you have a screw here, which, yeah, I'm going to have to pull that off as well. And we can just readjust this when we need to. Okay, so the throttle cable's off. We're just going to set that right there for now. And I'm going to pull the tank off. There we go. So this gas, I'm sure, is old. We're going to get rid of that. Here's the gasket. It's in good condition. We'll save that. So I'm going to pull out the idle mixture screw. And we may have to reset it, but that's okay. Nice and clean. And we're going to pull out the seat. These are a little bit easier to mess around with. Nice. The inside of that hole is nice and clean, but we're just going to shoot some spray in here. Repurpose WD-40 tip for my carb spray. So I'm going to stick a couple small pieces of wire through there, clean out those holes a little bit. Alright. So I just ran the wire through the seat a little bit. And I'm just going to throw that back in. Alright. So now for the needle. And it looks pretty clean. So without messing with the adjustment, just going to put it back on just like that. So now we can reinstall the tank. Throw some fresh fuel in her. I should mention that Mclane actually makes my favorite kinds of edgers. I really like their products. I think they make a really nice, really good product for the money. You are going to pay a little bit more than what most people would be comfortable with. but you do get a quality made product. And I mean, there's a reason why this brand is so popular with, you know, lawn and garden landscaping companies. They're just made really well. This air filter could probably do to be changed, but I'm not going to change it just yet. In fact, I think I'm going to leave this off so we can start it and make sure everything runs properly. Alright, so I just checked the oil. Choke. So there's a little bit of noise coming out of the front spindle, and I came prepared. I had to purge the air out of the damn thing. So hopefully that noise will quiet down in a little bit, but let's get it back on the ground and start her up again. It quieted it down a little bit, not by much, but I think eventually I'm just going to have to replace that spindle and be done with it. Say though, this is a nice healthy running Briggs. It's very rare that I get one of these old flatheads that with a little bit of work runs this well. Normally they're almost worn out. So that's all there is to that. Pretty easy service. I'm more or less happy with it. I don't know how old this one is. It's a 1985. The code is 85050703, so it's a 1985. Runs pretty good for being as old as it is. It's hard to believe how much these things go for new, like I said, but you really get what you pay for. These are by far one of my favorite edgers that money can buy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. You all stay classy.